In part three, we're going even deeper into more ways AI can literally transform your daily life as a woman, whether you're at home, in school, or in the workplace. In this section, we're going to explore real, practical ways AI can step in and make a mother's life easier, smarter, and less stressful. Real example of personal skill development in action. And this one is mind blowing. A 32-year-old housewife, zero coding background, types this into AI. I want to learn basic Python from scratch for my small home business. Please create a 4-week beginner plan, week by week, with daily 30-minute lessons, easy exercises, and free resources for my laptop, in simple English. Here's a real example of personal skill development in action, and this one is mind-blowing. A 32-year-old housewife, zero coding background, types this into AI. I want to learn basic Python from scratch for my small home business. Please create a 4-week beginner plan, week by week, with daily 30-minute lessons, easy exercises, and free resources for my laptop, in simple English. And AI responds with a complete 4-week learning roadmap. Structured, simple, totally free, designed perfectly around her life and her goals. Now this example, a Pakistani housewife who runs a home-based stitching business types this into AI. I want to create a simple website for my stitching business, but I feel nervous about technology. I've never made a website before. Please guide me step by step. Which free platform to use, what pages I need, what to write, and how long it will take. Please be encouraging and no technical jargon. Here's what a smart mom does now. She types this into AI. I manage a household budget of 50,000 rupees for a family of 5. I always run out before month end. Please help me. Create a monthly budget tracker. Suggest where I can cut unnecessary expenses and give me a saving plan so I can save at least 5,000 rupees every month. And AI delivers a complete financial plan, a clean budget table, smart saving tips, and a realistic 5,000 rupees saving strategy, all tailored to her income and her family. This last example, a 40-year-old housewife types this into AI. I want to improve my basic computer skills. I don't know Excel, Canva, or WhatsApp Business. Please create a 3-week digital literacy plan, one skill per week, with daily tasks of maximum 20 minutes. On my phone or laptop at home, in simple Urdu/English. That's a wrap on part 3, everybody. I hope today showed you just how real and powerful AI can be, saving time, sparking creativity, and opening doors to opportunities you never even imagined.